Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix blemishes in photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up the gallery app, and in here open up a picture that you would like to edit. Next, tap on the edit button, and then tap on the tools button at the bottom, then tap on face effects. Next, in here we scroll across and tap on fix blemishes. So tap on that. Now at the bottom here, drag on the slider bar to choose the width of your brush. So here I'm going to increase all the way to 50, and you can see here if I choose 50, if I draw a line down, you can see the thickness of the brush. And if I go all the way down to 11, you can see the thickness of the other brush. So that will allow you to change the thickness of the brush that you can use to fix the blemishes. Okay, so let's zoom on this picture here, and we can use this. We can tap on that, so you can draw a line down to fix the blemishes. So that little dot right there, we can draw on that to remove the dark blemishes on the face. So anything that you want to fix, you can zoom it right in. And then, so I'm just gonna tap on it again. Something goes wrong right there. So I'm gonna increase the brush size. Then we zoom right in, and then just draw a small line on the part where you want to fix the blemish. And then zoom back out. And that's it. And then tap on done. Next, tap on save to save the changes. And that's it. So that is how you can fix blemishes in photos using face effects on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.